How to add social media icons to your WordPress site. Adding social media icons to your WordPress site is a fantastic way to boost your online presence and make it easy for the visitor to connect with you on other platforms too. Want to make it happen? Let's dive in. There are the two main ways to add the icon, using a plugin or directly through the WordPress itself. Do you prefer the plugin approach for ease of use, or are you aiming for a hands-on polite method? If you are leaning towards simplicity, plugins are your friend. A popular choice is Social Media Widegate by WP Zoom. For that, let's go to down below and to the plugin and let's search it. So this is the plugin that we are talking about. Let's enter it. Plan I'm using right now is a free version, so can't upgrade and activate it. However, if you are using an upgraded plan, you can see an option for activate over here. From there, you can simply install it and activate it. And after activating it, simply drag the widegate to your sidebar or the footer. You will just need to paste in your social media profile URL. Easy, right? Alternatively, for a plugin-free route, head to your WordPress customizer. There, find appearance, which is over here. Let's go to the customize. Now go to use site editor. Double tap on the site. So I'll be saying the easiest way to edit the social media icons. So this is how my website look like. Let's go down. And down below you can see my social media icon. There's Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Amazon and Behance. If you want to add a social media icon, simply double tap on it. Then you can see a plus button over here. Tap on it, then search the social media that you want to add. For example, maybe TikTok over here. Okay, here you can see TikTok. Simply tap on it. And you can see TikTok icon over here. Double tap on it. That will ask you to paste your social link over here. Tap on it. And that's it. So you can try out any of this method and see what works best for you. Let me know in the comments if you have any question. I want to say good luck getting your social media icons up and running. That's all for today's video. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.